Hi everyone. This video introduces a new double-sided variation of this knit that I showed a few weeks ago. It is unique, elastic, and has beautifully interlaced knit loops. The pattern of the new double-side version consists of 4 loops. We have only one row to repeat, and we will knit equally on both sides. To begin with, you need to cast on multiples of 4 loops plus 1 to level the scheme on both sides, plus 2 edge stitches. The scheme on both sides of the knitting is the same. Generally speaking, the repeat pattern is purl 3 and knit 1, purl 3 and knit 1, but there are some features, which I will explain in detail. After the edge loop, purl 1 and purl 2 together. In the first 2 rows, you will have only one loop at this point. Then purl 1. Pick up a loop from the bottom row with the right hook and put it on the left one. Then knit it. Slip 1 loop onto the right hook as if knit. Again, purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, pick up a loop, knit it, and slip 1. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. At the end of the row, purl 1. On the second side of the knitting, after the edge loop, purl 1 and purl 2 together. Then purl 1. Pick up a loop, then knit it. Slip 1 loop onto the right hook as if knit. Again, purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, pick up a loop. Knit it, and slip 1. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. At the end of the row, purl 1. This loop is required to begin the next row with 3 purl stitches to match the design on both sides. I've shown you this simple, stylish elastic knit, appropriate for clothing and accessories. It will give a luxurious look to any garment knitted with it. It will look great on a big, fluffy winter scarf, hat, and cardigan. I highly recommend it. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my Etsy Knit Not Space shop or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. And I am excited to see you soon.